make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'll surrender.
So I hope you're well and having a really great day today. So today I'm coming at you with a teeny tiny Lush haul, and I'm going to be sharing with you the 6 shower gels which came out fairly recently on the Lush website. These 6 shower gels are originally bath bomb fragrances, however they've turned them into shower gels, and obviously I got them all. So without further ado, I'm going to go through each one. I haven't smelt any of them yet, so I hope you guys are excited and carry on watching. So the first one I'm going to talk about is Intergalactic. Now this one looks incredible. It's a really beautiful turquoisey green colour with some gold glitter in it, which is really, really cool. Looks beautiful, exactly like the water at the end of the bath bomb. And scent wise, to me, this is a little bit like toothpastey. And I know Intergalactic is a mint fragrance, so I'm not kind of surprised it is kind of like that, but it is a little bit more toothpastey than like that Intergalactic fragrance. I don't know how to describe it, because to me, Intergalactic doesn't just smell like minty toothpaste. It has like something else to it. This one is a little bit more minty, so it would be really, really good in the summer, I think, or in the mornings. However, I just really, really like this. I'm a big, big fan. In terms of the texture, it's a little bit weird. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know how to describe it. It's really thick, but almost like bubbly, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I'm really, really excited to give this one a go. And out of 10, I would probably give this one a 7. So I like it. The next one is Guardians of the Forest. Now this one gets extra points because of the colour, because it is the most vivid green colour I think I've ever seen. In terms of the scent though, I'm a little bit scared because I don't really like earthy fragrances. They're not my kind of cup of tea, but we'll give this one a go anyway. Wow. No, my mum would really like this one, but for me it's like a little bit too like a garden, and I'm not really a fan. So for me, I would probably score this one a 2 out of 10. It's definitely not my favourite. It's not unbearable. I feel like if I was to use this in the shower, I could probably manage with it, but I probably just wouldn't purchase it again. So that's my opinions on this one, but I do like it. If you like earthy fragrances, you will like this one. It's just that earthy fragrances are not my fave. So yeah. Next up we have the Goddess shower gel. Now this one was obviously inspired by Ariana Grande. However, mine has gone a bit weird. It's gone very like light purple to dark purple, and I don't know if it's supposed to, because probably not, but it looks really cool. So 10 points for that, I suppose. So this one is full of jasmine, rose and sandalwood, so it is more of a floral fragrance. However, I can't remember what the bath bomb smells like, but this one's okay. Like, to me it smells kind of like Christmas, like something I've had before. And I have used the Goddess bath bomb before, actually twice before, but I can't remember what it smells like. So let me know down below what Goddess smells like, and I'll let you know if this is similar. But this is rather nice. It's not my favourite again. I think so far the Intergalactic one has been my favourite, so I'd probably give this one a 6 out of 10. But yeah, if you can still get your hands on it and you liked the bath bomb, you'd probably really enjoy this one. The next one in terms of colour is absolutely by far not my favourite, and that is Tumeric Latte. Now this looks like a mixture of baby food and what comes out the other end of a baby. However, the fragrance is, I guess, all that matters. So let's have a smell. This one is like a really weird mix of cup of coffee face mask, and if you remember years ago they came up with that Dirty Deal Chowder. That's what this smells like, a mixture of the two. In terms of ingredients with this one, it's got coconut, cocoa and agave syrup and vanilla. So it is like a really sweet kind of coffee slash vanilla-y fragrance, I guess. But I do really like the smell. I just don't like the colour. So I'd probably give this one a 6.9 out of 10, because I think I would still choose this over this one based on colour. However, the smell is on par with this one. So I do really like it. And if it wasn't a really weird baby poop colour, I probably like it even more. So next up is Groovy Kinda Love. The bath bomb for this one is actually a rainbow, and it looks so, so cool. However, this one obviously is orange because it has got orange in it, obviously. But this one's really, really good. Again, smell wise, I believe, yeah, it's definitely really orangey. Like, you can really smell the fruit in this one, and I believe it's freshly squeezed orange juice also. Yes, and bergamot oil and rosewood, so loads of really lovely things. I like the colour. To me, it's more of a shower cream. Like these, I would say, are shower creams, and the rest are more so shower gels, but I don't know, that's just what they look like to me. But yeah, this one's really, really good. Scent wise, again, it's probably not my absolute favourite, so I'd probably give this one like a 6 a 6 out of 10. I do like it. It's probably not my favourite so far. So far, Intergalactic has been winning it for me, so definitely number 1 so far, but this one is still really, really good. If you like the bath bomb, you will love this one. And last but definitely not least, I feel like this video has been super quick, so I'm really, really sorry, but there's only a certain amount of things I can say about a shower gel. But last but not least is the Sex Bomb Bath Bomb Shower Gel. What? Sex Bomb Shower Gel. This one is really, really pretty. It's a lovely baby pink colour, and scent wise, it's really floral. My mum would love this one, absolutely. I think this one would be her favourite probably so far. It's a really light kind of rosy fragrance, definitely exactly like the bath bomb, hands down, smells identical. So for that reason, I'm probably going to give this one an 8 out of 10. I do absolutely love the look of this one, but the smell of this one just beats it for me, and I do really, really like it. So these are my top 2 out of the 6. Let me know down below your favourite, because I would absolutely love to know. So that is it for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, because it makes me so happy, and I'm really hoping to get back in the swing of things and upload more regularly again. I am going to be vlogging a few things as well, so keep your eyes out for that. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.